I am Dr. Ranjana Srivastava, and I had been working as a scientist in CSIR, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. I have been associated with yoga since long time. I was always fascinated by yoga as a ancient exercise of our country, and we went to there used to be only one yoga center in Lucknow, and we went there and asked that can we join yoga exercises. So his first question was that what disease you are suffering from, and we said no, we don't want to suffer from any disease, and that's why we want to do yoga. And so he was kind of surprised, and amazed. But since then we had been doing. Then I pursued a very active scientific career. I superannuated in 2011, and that's when I felt that I didn't want to age that time. I mean, fine, it was 60, but I wanted to have, I didn't want to increase my biological age, and that's when I thought that I must be more fit than before, and I joined gym. I was doing, but after a couple of years, then I started feeling pain in my knees. So that so I had to stop gym because people advised against it, and that's when I was kind of little disturbed, and I said, okay, let me restart. I mean, I had been doing yoga, but not with that vigor, and I said no, I must restart yoga exercises, and I started going. And then since last couple of years, several years, 5 or 10 years, I got associated with Anand Singh, a young guy who from Sarvang Yoga Arogya Sansthan. That's the Sansthan he is registered with, and I took it up as a regular exercise. So it's very important, the message, and I am telling you, during this lockdown period we have been regularly doing, and I don't know, I mean, I have been following good diet since ever, but I lost 5 kg. I think, and I attribute it to my regular yoga exercises, of course, and diet. And it's very important that do it with faith. And now scientifically, it is also being proven. I'm a scientist, and I know that I mean, we have realized the power of fasting, the autophagy, which gave the Nobel Prize 2 years back. I mean, that told that I mean, how important fasting is, and so is the yoga. I mean, it just deals with the breath. So I think it's very important that everyone does yoga starting from the childhood, and definitely it has helped us to keep fit. And I thank Anand also, and we actually I mean, we got interested in him because he took his degree from good degree from in MA in yoga, and that's very important. So he learned it in a very scientific way, and that's the way he was able to tell us also different exercises. So yoga, everyone should go for yoga.